gushing streams and stunning waterfalls, we go stream hiking on slippery rocks around Aberdeen Reservoir. This is John and Fern.
Welcome to the episode 5 of the Water Adventure series. I'm here today in Aberdeen Country Park for some stream hiking. You might be wondering, where is DJ? That's right, I have kicked him out of the show. But today I have a cameraman to help me.
Hi.
It's Sunday. Let's see how we do without DJ here. Let's go.
Summer has come and the weather is getting hotter, so we're taking a break from the mountainous trails and finding activities closer to the water. With almost 500 kilometers of coastline and plenty of gushing streams and waterfalls, Hong Kong has lots of energetic things to do that will keep you outdoors without overheating. In this series, we'll take on 10 water adventures that can all easily be done in one day. In this episode, we go stream hiking up to Lang. We start the hike at Pure Rice Road and go up to the Aberdeen Country Park, then take the Aberdeen Fitness Trail to a water catchment. Following the maintenance stairs down, we follow the sound of the running water until we get to the stream and our stop point. The rocks are wet and mossy. It's extremely slippery going just like dancing on ice. That's a hard lesson learned, but the show must go on. It's a technical and steep climb as we scramble up one waterfall to another. After the first few waterfall scrambles, the trail becomes much wider and flatter. The stream connects multiple pools, so you can always jump in and cool off. With the green shade above and water beneath, it's the perfect antidote to the warm summer days in Hong Kong.
Woohoo! So we have been walking in the streams for the last 2 hours. For me, coasting and stream hiking is very similar but different. For example, coasting, you can either jump into the sea and swim, or walk on the rocks and stay dry. But for stream hiking, you need to walk on the wet rocks, so you have to do both of them at the same time. So make sure your shoes have a good grip. Let's go.
As this is not a popular trail, the further we go along the stream, the bigger the spiderwebs get, obstructing our way and covering us in sticky glue. I highly recommend wearing a hat or headscarf to prevent spiderwebs from getting stuck in your hair. A hiking pole also comes in handy to help you clear the webs and keep a firm footing in the soft sand. Rest, refresh, resume. Once you reach Lang, you will see a bridge that connects to the Hong Kong Trail. You can keep scrambling up along the stream up to the peak, or up as we did to take the bridge and follow the Hong Kong Trail, cutting back onto Pure Rice Road. It's a gentle stroll downhill from there, passing by an electric tower and some exotic insects. The trail will bring you back to your start point.
So that's the end of this episode, about 6 kilometers hike. It was a really fun, really unique experience. How was it for you, Sunday?
Yeah, it's unique and interesting, but it's also tough. But I'm still be grateful that we can come with George today. That's because I will never come here in my life.
You should be more grateful that DJ didn't come today. Okay, for now, a quick shout out to Kylos. Thank you for sponsoring us the gear, and also C-Log for the waterproof bag. And don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out johnandfern.com. For now, my name is George.
I'm Sunday.
And this is John and Fern. I think we are lost again in here in Aberdeen, the place I was born and raised. I'm lost again.